Does life coaching help you reach your goals? My answer, yes. Hey, I'm Shannon Galladay. Go ahead and click subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I make new videos every Wednesday about wellness, business, and how to simplify your time goals. I can't wait to talk to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the link in the description below to schedule your complimentary life coaching call with me and to join our wellness community on Facebook and to get all of my free resources. Here's 5 ways of how life coaching can help you reach your goals. But before we dive into that, go ahead and click the link in the description below to get your free life coaching call with me. In this 15-minute call, we'll go over your specific goal and we'll help you to create a clear plan of how you can reach it. You'll also get access to my awesome wellness community on Facebook and some other free resources. Okay, let's dive in. Number 1, you know exactly what to do to reach your goal, but you're just not taking action. For example, weight loss. You want to lose 20 pounds, you have a great nutrition plan, you have an excellent workout program, but you're just not taking the action that you need to take to reach that goal. That's where life coaching comes in. That's where we can look at, here's the goal, here's the plan, what's in the middle, what's getting in the way, and that's where life coaching can help. Number 2, let's say you have reached your goal. So maybe you're here with your running. You've run a 5K, but you want to take it to the next level. You want to run a 10K and you're feeling kind of blocked. You're feeling kind of leveled off. That's where life coaching can help because it's really diving deep into those thoughts of what is keeping you stuck. You've already made it here. Let's take it up here. Let's take it up to the next level and pulling back the layers to really dive deep. That's where life coaching can help. Number 3, we're going to uncover those limiting thoughts and beliefs. Have you ever thought, I would love to do this. I would love to do this. And then as soon as you think of all the things you want to do, your mind immediately goes into, it won't work, it won't work, it won't work, it won't work, it won't work. If you keep looking up here, but your mind is focusing on these negative thoughts right here that you may not be aware of, then you won't reach the goal up here. So life coaching can come in and help you to uncover those limiting thoughts, those negative beliefs that even if you're not even fully aware of them, we can make you aware of them so you can blast through, say, check you later, and go up here to where you want to go. Number 4, it really clears out the path. So here's your goal, here's the plan, there's all the stuff in the middle that we've uncovered. We've discovered this in our life coaching already. But how do we get rid of it, right? So we've got to focus on the possibilities, not on the problems. A lot of times we ask people, what do you want? Not even sure. But we say, what don't you want? Then they are absolutely sure what they don't want. Think about this in yourself. What do you want? Might be hard to think of it, but it might be easy to say, what don't you want? I don't want to drive this car anymore. I don't want to live in this house anymore. I don't want this job. I don't want, right? So we've got to clear out that and clear space in our mind so that we can say, what do you want? Focusing on the possibilities, focusing on where you're going, focus on clearing out all of the rocks, all the junk in the way, and have a clear path to reach your goals. Number 5, we want to find out our beliefs that are driving our actions. If our beliefs are positive, we're going to have positive actions that are going to help us reach our goals. If our beliefs are negative, then we are not going to see positive results. You can't have negative beliefs and positive results. So for example, if we're just using health and fitness today, if your goal is to lose 20 pounds and you have a belief of, oh, I'm so lazy, oh, I look terrible, oh, and you're just beating yourself up, then why would you take care of yourself, right? Because if you're saying all these negative things to yourself, that's a very deep belief that will drive negative action. But if your belief is, I'm an incredible wife, I'm an incredible mother, I want to be healthy and strong for my spouse, my children, and you're having positive thoughts, then you're going to have positive actions. So we've got to notice our beliefs, and this is a game changer. When you understand which beliefs are driving your behavior, this can happen in any goal that you're trying to achieve whatever belief, it starts with our beliefs. It goes, in our beliefs, and then our thoughts, and then our words, and then our actions, and then that's what our results are. So we've got to see what our beliefs are to help us understand why we're taking certain actions. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful so that you can understand how life coaching can benefit you to help you reach your goals. I can't wait to talk to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the link in the description below to schedule your complimentary life coaching call with me and to join our wellness community on Facebook and to get all of my free resources. And don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.